Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Uber One on Uber Eats, quick fix step by step clearly. To use Uber One on Uber Eats, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the Uber Eats app installed on your device. Open the Uber Eats app on your phone. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, look for the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the profile icon to access your account settings. Scroll down until you find the Uber One option. If you're not yet a member, you can tap on the Join Uber One button. Follow the prompts to sign up for the Uber One membership. If you're already a member, simply tap on the Uber One section to access benefits. Now, you can explore various offers exclusive to Uber One members. When you're ready to place an order, browse through your favorite restaurants. Select the restaurant and choose the items you want to order. Add your items to the cart and proceed to checkout. During checkout, you'll see your Uber One benefits applied automatically. Complete your order and enjoy the savings. If you experience any issues, check your account settings to ensure your membership is active. For further assistance, visit the Help section in the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.